Good afternoon, fellow traders. This is Royal sharing with you the second part of this A+ quality setup video for ticker symbol ADIL. I'm really excited to show you what is my favorite setup. I've been getting requests and direct messages through Discord asking about what defines an A+ quality setup. So in brief, I need these exponential moving averages to be stacked 8 on top of 21, on top of 34, on top of 55. My favorite setup is when we get the TTM squeeze down here, quickly transitioning from strong bear back to weak bear and immediately back into strong bull. You can notice how small this histogram is compared to the prior histogram. You're getting more selling here. You're getting consolidation. It's moving sideways. These kind of feel like fake out moves. You think it's going to rip again and it just doesn't. You'll notice that the weak bear is very far from the zero line. Whereas once we finally get back to the zero line, we actually do get a little bit of a move higher. Now, my entry, I took clear back here at 6:33 Mountain Standard Time. You can see my position here. I took profits on the way up. I was holding Brunner shares, took a little more off, and then we get to this beautiful setup. Now, because I was already in the trade, I didn't add to my position. I was already up nicely in this trade. So no need to add, no need, in my opinion, to get greedy. And at this point, I'm seeing this small strong bear to weak bear histogram, and I'm super excited. So traders, what you're looking for is as this moves up through the 8-period moving average, then take your trade and know that your risk is likely a close below the VWAP, or if you want to be a little bit more sure, you can kind of wait until the final maybe 5, 7, or 10 seconds of this candle on the countdown, and then you can go ahead and take your entry. And really, you're looking for your risk being a close below either the 21, 34, or maybe VWAP. Again, that just depends on your risk profile. But you can see how once you close this first candle of the market open, you get this nice move higher. I took a little more off there from my runners. I'm committed to taking profits on price extensions, as you can see here as well. Price extensions above the 8-period moving average. We pull back, we hold the 21, we hold the pre-market high or recapture the pre-market high, this dashed line here at $1.85. And look, if you missed this, hope is not lost. You get the retrace, you hold the 21, and you're now looking for an entry here along the 8-period moving average with a low risk of either, again, close below the 21, maybe close below the VWAP. Look, if you need to risk a little more, just size down. If you normally trade 1,000 shares here, trade 500, trade 200, and get the practice down of taking these smaller positions and being willing to sit through any of these wick down pullbacks. You're looking for closes. You've got to be comfortable knowing that this could reverse against you, and that's just part of the risk of trading. This one continued to move higher. I took more profits up at these price extensions. We move higher. I took more profits at the price extension, and my last 25 shares I sold on a close below the 55-period moving average, thinking, hey, maybe this thing will hold the 55 and keep going. In this case, it didn't. And I was up nicely in this trade. It turned out to be an excellent one, and that is an A+ quality setup for me. I absolutely love the small histogram. You can compare this histogram to the prior. You're going to see this pattern repeat over and over again, where you'll get these smaller histograms that flip from strong bear back to weak bear, and you're off and running. So happy trading. Hopefully that's helpful. I'll continue to put out more A+ videos. Check it out, follow me, and happy trading.